Hey guys, today let's try to fix allow access to camera missing on your iPhone apps. So if in the case that you are having problems like this, the best way to solve this is to go on over to the specific iPhone app that you are having problems with. So let's say you are having problems with your Facebook application and you cannot upload any photo because it's not allowing you to do so. So what I want you guys to do is to just terminate this application from running. So swipe from your home screen and then remove the application. And once you're there, I want you to relaunch the application once more, and then proceed with accessing where or how you could upload a photo. In this case, I'm going to tap on create a story. And as you would see, I do have this option to basically choose my photos from here. Now, what I want you guys to do from here is to just go ahead and basically you will receive a prompt asking you if you want to go ahead and allow access to your photos. What I want you guys to do is to proceed with accepting those, or rather that question, and allowing full access to your photos and videos. If you are still having problems, I want you to launch the settings application and you will see that same setting. Let's go ahead and launch and basically choose the specific iPhone app that we are having problems with over here onto the bottom. And let's say, for example, we have problems with Facebook. So I'm going to launch Facebook or tap on that and tap on this photos option under the allow Facebook to access setting and make sure that you have full access enabled. And essentially that's going to solve your issue. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.